All right, so, you know, we get a little bit of RV envy lately because in all the RV parks, there's some huge fifth wheels that are like mansions compared to our RV. We've been in ours for about 7 years now. That girl's getting old. I love her to death, but I'm like, man, I don't know. Should we try to upgrade? What should we do? So we are here at Camping World right now. We're gonna look at some rigs. Might be a bad thing to do this because once you see it, you got it set in your mind. But we're gonna check it out. Let's see what happens.
Okay, so we got 4 different RVs that we're gonna be looking at today. We got a Class A, which is an RV like we have. That's where you drive it like a driving bus. We have a Class C, which is one of these smaller ones that kind of is like a U-Haul, if you want to think of it like that. We have a Class B, which would be a van, and then we have a tow behind, which would be like a fifth wheel or a trailer. So let's check out some RVs.
All right, so these two guys right here are like the $500,000 rigs. So let's go see if it's all what it's cracked up to be. Oh my God, this one is 43 feet long. Ours is 35, so that's a lot more square footage.
It has a residential fridge.
Whoa! What do you think, guys?
Gosh.
Residential fridge.
What?
Well, with a fridge like that, I think we might need to upgrade.
No. Oh, and it's got the water in the darn ice, guys. What do we think about that? Big.
Who would pay $1 million to live in this house?
Let's see how much it is. Oh, this is a nice spacious.
All right, this one's pretty fancy, but I don't think it's kid friendly. There's not enough seating over here. The refrigerator's amazing, but yeah, not for a family.
Yeah, even the dining table. How much is it? Does it have a price? Now we're gonna do an Aria. Let's see. Right, like, I love it.
Is there enough room for everybody to sit in?
No.
Well,
We need
nowhere
5
for
seats. There's only
kids
2
to
seats.
sleep.
All right, we need 5 seats over here. There's only 2 seats. And I don't know if there's enough dining over here for everybody, so.
I just imagine.
We like to lay around on a bunch of couches, so we need 2 couches.
Alright, I just imagine like you're driving and you hit a really, really big bump and your TV falls down onto the
Oh no.
thing. No problem.
It's super good.
All right, it's a little small and it doesn't have a residential fridge.
That is so fun.
So this is one of the big gas rigs right here. Georgetown, I want to check this one out right here. Let's go in here and see what this one does. I love the paint jobs on these ones right here. These are the closest thing you can get to diesel without being diesel. And it's locked. Damn it, it's locked. All right, guess we're not checking out that one. Really cool paint job though, for sure.
Uh-oh, I think we got the kids a little excited. They are running to the RVs.
All right, so these would be Class C's right here. These are the type that you drive in, but not the whole crew can see out when you're driving. And that's one thing that we did not like when we rented a couple of these before we bought our RV, is everybody that's in the back is just kind of looking out the side windows and not looking out the huge window like you would be in a Class A. And that's why we love a Class A, because as we're driving, everybody can look out that front window and see everything that there is to see, because the reason why you are driving across country is to see all the beautiful things that there is to see. So you want everybody to have that movie theater type view out the front window.
So here we have a Class C. We actually rented one of these years ago to test out the whole RV life, which I highly recommend people doing. But this looks a little small for 5 people. Oh yeah, the kids would not be happy with this.
But great for a couple.
Oh, this is awesome though, for like a weekend, a couple, solo, traveler. I mean, it's got everything that you need, really.
So this is what I was talking about before with the Class C's. You don't have that epic view out the front window like you do with the A-Class. So as you can see here, if you're a passenger in here, you wouldn't be able to see that much unless you kind of crouched down up in the front and looked out the window.
All right, we are so happy that today's video is brought to you by the Good Sam RV rental program. If you didn't know that Good Sam rents RVs, they have an entire program, which is amazing because we're here sort of RV shopping, but instead of just taking the plunge and buying an RV, you can test it by renting an RV, a fifth wheel, a van. We did that 7 years ago before we actually bought our RV because, you know, we wanted to test the waters. Like, could we imagine ourselves living in it full time? Now, you don't even have to live in it full time. Even if you want to rent it for the weekend, you don't have to commit to anything. And so they have so many options all over the country. I think it's an amazing program. And another really cool option is if you have an RV that you want to rent out, you can totally do that with the Good Sam RV rental program and make some extra cash. So if you are interested in RV life and seeing what it's all about, go to their website, check it out. They have tons of options. But right now, we got to continue our hunt. All right, so this is the travel trailer. So let's check this out. So these are actually really cute and they're way more affordable than getting a fifth wheel or an actual Class A or anything like that. It's got more counter space than ours.
My friend has this one.
It's got little bunks back there, guys.
Oh my god! Oh my god, this thing. It's so soft. Feel like that.
I don't know, maybe we should have done bunks like this, guys. This is some pretty cool bunks. Right, they want to redo the bunks.
Yeah, I really like that one, but those doors are so hard to close.
All right, we got a travel trailer right here. Let's check that out. These fifth wheels are definitely killing it right now.
Guys, watch the coolest
Bunk
part.
beds! Four bunk beds! What?
And they're super soft beds.
Oh
They're
boy.
super soft.
Right, you like it?
Oh my.
Yeah, we should do this in your room.
Now let's go check out some of the fifth wheels because that's where you really get the extra space.
But then we're gonna have to buy Chuck. And I'm okay with buying a Chuck.
You are?
There's a giant pig up there.
I love how it looks over. Oh no, this is my ¡1 favorite.
Oh man, can you guys imagine hanging out of here?
This is my favorite.
This feels like home, doesn't it? This feels like home.
Oh my gosh, ew.
Look, there's an iPhone.
Real stove? What?
It's double bathroom.
About
Really?
Smell. There's one right here.
Oh, 2 bathrooms? Is this how fifth wheel people are living? I'm jealous.
We might need to upgrade here, guys. This is bad about RV shop, but shopping is.
Oh, it's totally it.
you see what else is out there. And it's
There's 2
pretty awesome.
TV.
You don't realize how much space some of your neighbors have until you go looking, and then you're like, I need to stop looking because unless I'm gonna buy one, I'm really jealous.
So this back here would be a garage where the back door rolls down and you could pull vehicles in here if you wanted to. And then we're gonna go into the house here.
And look, there's a bed up there.
There is?
Look.
All right, so a boat or a bigger fifth wheel and a truck?
A fifth wheel.
I think a boat.
Boat. I'm definitely saying a boat on that one,
I'm gonna
guys.
say a boat.
Let's check out up here and see.
But
Ooh,
man, this is really
let's see.
this is really nice.
I'm saying fifth wheel.
All right, so bedroom. Watch your face on the ladder,
like
though.
3 stacked one
Let me look
All
up there
right,
real quick.
guys.
in the movies.
Oh my god!
Here, let me bring the camera up.
It's like National Lampoon.
Oh, it goes back that way?
Yeah.
Is there like another bed back there?
Look. No, it's just like a cubby.
Look, Dad, look. Ah! Oh my god.
Would somebody like to live up here?
Yeah, I would live up here.
This would be my room.
Pretty cool, guys. I like it. All right, so van life is all the rage right now because you can get these things in anywhere. You can do a lot of stuff with these that you can't do in some of the bigger rigs. And so let's check out a van. We checked out an A-Class, a C-Class, and a fifth wheel, and a travel trailer. So this is our last one on the stop right here. Let's check it out and see how it is. All right, who's in there? What do you got?
It only has one TV.
One TV.
That's a little tight. It's definitely a little tight. We have to put some bunks or something in here to sleep 5 people. Well, I think for a couple or a solo person, this is super awesome because you're so mobile. You can go into remote places where you can't necessarily with a regular RV. So I really like this. You can go right up on the beach, open the back doors. I mean, those epic Pinterest pictures where they're like backed up to the water and the sun is setting. And it's just gorgeous to have little Christmas lights hanging around. I mean, that's what I envision when I think of van life.
Does this?
All right, so we come back here, we have a little bathroom. So there's obviously a shower in here somewhere. I don't know where, but check this out. You got a sink right here. Pull this down, wash yourself up. And if you want, you put that up and you go to the bathroom right here. And
Take care of business.
yeah, I don't know. It is kind of tight. There's a lot of multi.
Look, there's a shower curtain, so.
You have to get into the mind space of small is okay and not get claustrophobic because it can happen really quick.
Well, it's
But-
more about the adventure.
Yeah, but if you're in the mindset of, you know, this is just a place that we sleep and kind of cook and eat, then it's great. It's fun.
I think the most important thing about this kind of travel life is that this is just the vehicle that takes you on the adventure. So yeah, it's tiny living, but the outdoors is your backyard. So it's not necessarily being stuck in the same 4 walls with your backyard, no matter how big it is. This can take you to one end to the other of the country, to all the little cute remote places that you just can't get to when you live in a house. So that's the pros of this kind of mobile living.
And I just whacked my head. That's another pro to this mobile living. Whacking your head. So this would be definitely one of those spots where I'd want to rent something because we can warrior all day long with this thing. To live in full time, a little tight for a family of 5, but definitely to go on some little adventures.
Okay, so we went through a bunch of the different rigs on the lot, and so what was everybody's favorite?
Mine was the one where it had like the TV and the 2 couches on the side.
So that was the fifth wheel, right?
Yeah.
I think
Okay.
mine was. Oh,
mine.
okay, we'll get to that one.
Mine was the toy hauler.
All right.
Fifth wheel.
5th wheel.
I think mine was the 5th wheel also.
I think mine was a fifth
I think it was pretty epic. I gotta say, a lot of space, a lot of refrigerators, a lot of cabinets.
A residential
food.
fridge
Yeah.
is like melts my heart.
Washer and
the
dryer
clip.
hookup.
Show them the clip of the RV that we like the most.
All right, there it
All
is
right.
right there. Check it out. So guys, we are definitely out here trying something new. Whatever you guys do, get out there and
Try something new!
Oh, it's a race out to the camera.
You didn't think we were gonna leave you, did you? Actually, we were.
All right, so here's something we didn't factor in. These cute little guys right here.
It's called an
the
H.
Happier Camper.
It's
How
called
cute.
HC1.
HC1. So let's see.
Oh, whoa! Look!
Oh, look at that. High tech.
This is hard. Seats are hard.
You guys think we could live in something like this?
I think this is just a sleeping pod, guys. That's it.
It's a sleeping pod.